Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Anna and I like to share useful information with people. And in today's video I want to share with you on how you can apply for Czech Schengen visa as a family member of a Czech citizen. So what is a family member Czech Schengen visa? Well, it is basically applies for anyone who is a non-EU national. For example, for me, I'm from Tanzania, Africa, so this applies to me if I have a family member from the Czech Republic, and in this case for me is my husband or spouse who was from the Czech Republic. So I'll tell you step by step on how to apply for this visa. So I've been to Czech Republic many times, and my first time was in 2015. And when I was asking for a procedure on how to apply for a visa to go there, this one thing needs to be done before booking for an appointment. And this one thing is to superlegalize your marriage certificate, documents, or any document that they will tell you to legalize. And for me, applying through my husband, our marriage certificate needed to be legalized. So if your document was issued by EU country, they are saying the waiver for apostille is granted for all public documents. And if your marriage certificate was issued in the UK, the documents needs to be legalized by UK authorities by apostille. I will leave a link on how you to get the British document legalized. And if your documents have been issued by another country outside EU, so the document needs to be legalized by the issuing country. For example, for me, we are married in Tanzania, so our marriage certificate was issued from Tanzania. So in this case, I went to my embassy, which is here in the UK in London, to get it legalized. So after you have legalized your documents, then you can go ahead and book an appointment. You can make an appointment through Visa Center VFS Global. I will leave a link for this. But if you book through the Visa Center, you will have to pay £26 for this service on the day of appointment. Or another way to book is to book by email to the Czech embassy. I'll put the email address on the description box below, where you will have to include your full name, nationality, and nationality of the EU citizen. The appointments are available only on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2 to 4 p.m. And also when booking for an appointment, you will need to send a copy of the marriage certificate that has been legalized. That is why it is important to legalize your documents before anything else. After your appointment is confirmed, the next step is to start preparing your documents. Don't worry, they will send everything that you will need to bring. The documents need to be in original and copy because they will take a copy. You will need to fill out the application form, which they will send to you after confirming the appointment, or you can find it on their website. On the day of the appointment, you will need to be there at 2 p.m. sharp, as they will not open the door for you if you are too early, and will end up being outside the embassy until 2 p.m. The people at embassy are very friendly and helpful, and I forgot to mention that the visa applied through embassy is free of charge. You will only need to pay for a special delivery envelope if you want your documents to be returned to you by post. So you will need to buy the special delivery envelope from post office before your appointment, and it is only £6 if I can remember. Otherwise, you will need to collect your documents from the embassy after a decision. After the decision is made. The processing time is normally within 2 weeks, which is 14 days. And just a note that the first time applicants, if your visa is approved, you'll only receive a single entry visa. That's all for today, and I hope this information will be useful to someone who will be looking for information on how to apply for Czech Schengen visa as a family member. Please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And next time I will upload a travel vlog, as I'll be in the Czech Republic. So thank you for watching, and it is bye for now.